Hello friends and potential friends. Well, I've been teasing at this for a while, but I think it's time to get started. Today is November 28th of 2022. According to my weather station, we topped out at about 81 degrees right around noon, which is not that unusual for Central Florida. What is unusual is that the humidity was actually down to about 45%. And quite frankly, any humidities below 50% is unusual for Central Florida any time of the year. But anyway, it's dropped back to about 75 right now, sun shining bright. And I need to try to do some cleanup and do a little bit of a facelift on the patient's garden. As you can see, I've got some of the canes that are dying off, others that are still nice and green, and of special interest let me see if I can see what I'm looking at here. That should be it. Because this stuff's still growing. There's a little spear that just came up today. A little bit more cleanup in here. Get rid of this wooden bed. Clean up all the weeds around it. Try to make it just a little bit more presentable. So let me get set up and we'll see if we can get started on this. Well, as usual, every time I go moving leaves or digging in the dirt, I find worms. And this guy's going into my worm bin. And from time to time, I find little baby box turtles. Seem to have a good crop of them this year. There we have the patient's bed facelift. As you can see, I got some empty spots in there. This is a 4x8 bed and the original bed was 4x4. Now I can't just fill this thing up to the top with soil or I'd be burying all my asparagus. So what I'm going to have to do is add soil to both ends to bring it up to the same level as the original bed. And then over the next 10 to 20 years, I guess I'll just keep adding more mulch on top of it, letting it break down, and eventually it might even get the thing filled up. Hope I got time to finish it. But that's as far as I can go for right now because I'm losing daylight. I don't like these short days. That's it for now, and I'll see you on the next one.